Gemini Robotics, the AI revolution that moves. Google DeepMind has just introduced two new AI models, Gemini Robotics and Gemini Robotics-ER, designed to take AI beyond the screen and into the real world. Gemini Robotics is a vision language action model, meaning it doesn't just process text and images, it can control robots to perform tasks. Meanwhile, Gemini Robotics-ER adds spatial reasoning, helping robots navigate and interact with objects more efficiently. DeepMind is partnering with companies like Boston Dynamics and Apptronik to integrate these models into humanoid robots, expanding their ability to handle real-world challenges from precise object manipulation to adapting to new environments. Safety is also a priority. DeepMind is developing AI robot constitution to guide robot behaviour, ensuring they operate safely and reliably. With these advancements, AI is moving beyond just understanding the world, it's starting to interact with it. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.